Hello, PTE learners. Welcome to this quick 60 to 90-second PTE spoken text practice lecture. Today, you'll listen to a short lecture on a high-frequency 2025 topic. Your task is to focus, take notes, and identify the main idea, 2 supporting points, and 1 example. After listening, pause the video and write your summary in 50 to 70 words. This will help you improve your listening, note-taking, and summarizing skills, all crucial for the PTE exam. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more PTE tips. Global warming refers to the gradual increase in Earth's average temperature due to excessive greenhouse gas emissions. Human activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial pollution trap heat in the atmosphere. This leads to melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and unpredictable weather patterns. To tackle this issue, individuals and governments must adopt renewable energy, reduce waste, and promote reforestation. Immediate action is crucial to protect future generations and sustain the planet's ecological balance. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the modern world by allowing machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. It is widely used in areas such as healthcare, education, transportation, and customer service. AI helps analyze large amounts of data quickly and make accurate predictions. However, many experts warn about job loss and ethical concerns due to automation. To balance progress and responsibility, societies must use AI carefully, ensuring that technology benefits humanity without replacing human creativity and emotions. Cancer treatment has advanced significantly over the past few decades due to progress in medical research and technology. The main types of treatment include surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and immunotherapy. These treatments aim to remove or destroy cancer cells and prevent them from spreading. Early diagnosis greatly improves the chances of recovery. Doctors now personalize treatment based on the patient's type of cancer and overall health. Along with medical care, emotional support and a positive mindset also play an important role in the healing process. Mental health awareness is becoming increasingly important in today's fast-paced world. It refers to understanding the significance of emotional well-being and recognizing mental health issues such as stress, anxiety, and depression. Many people still hesitate to talk about these problems due to social stigma. Raising awareness encourages open discussion and early treatment. Schools, workplaces, and communities should promote counseling, meditation, and a supportive environment. By treating mental health with the same importance as physical health, society can create happier and more productive individuals. Online education has revolutionized the learning process by making education more flexible and accessible. Students can now attend virtual classes, access study material, and submit assignments from anywhere in the world. It saves time and reduces the cost of travel and accommodation. However, it also has drawbacks such as lack of face-to-face interaction and self-discipline issues. To make online learning more effective, students should create a study schedule and stay motivated. Institutions must also focus on engaging content and interactive platforms to maintain learning quality. Great job listening. Now check your summary against the sample answer shown on the screen. Compare your main idea, supporting points, and conclusion. Did you use correct grammar and complete sentences? If not, try again until you can write a clear 50 to 70 word summary. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for more PTE prediction lectures and exam tips every week.